Algorand cost commonly remained at $0.2706 a coin. The present range, $0.2706 $0.2779 in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday's nearby, $0.2711 in a truly significant way. The change, 0.0005. 0.18%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Algo in a significant way. Algorand value expectation for later, week and month, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Most certainly least cost 27 cents. Really greatest 31 cents. And toward the day's end, cost $0.29 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 21. Kind of least cost 26 cents. Beautiful most extreme 30 cents. And by the day's end, cost $0.28 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Lovely least cost 28 cents. Genuinely most extreme 32 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.30 a coin. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Least cost 29 cents. Most extreme 33 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.31 a coin. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, February 24. For the most part least cost 29 cents. Sort of greatest 33 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.31 a coin in a significant manner. In multi-week Algo to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. Least cost 28 cents. Exceptionally greatest 32 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.30 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Truly least cost 28 cents. Greatest 32 cents, and toward the day's end cost $0.30 a coin, which really is very critical. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 1. For the most part least cost 28 cents, beautiful greatest 32 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.30 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2. Least cost 24 cents. Essentially greatest 28 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.26 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 3. Least cost 25 cents, truly greatest 29 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.27 a coin in an especially significant manner. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 6. Genuinely least cost 27 cents, beautiful greatest 31 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.29 a coin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7. Sort of least cost 26 cents. Especially greatest 30 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.28 a coin. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8. In every practical sense, least cost 26 cents, by and large most extreme 30 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.28 a coin, or so they sort of thought. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 9. Least cost 25 cents. Lovely most extreme 29 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.27 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, walk 10. Fundamentally least cost 27 cents, most certainly greatest 31 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.29 a coin, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Algo to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 13. Least cost 27 cents, in every practical sense, most extreme 31 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.29 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14. Least cost 29 cents, kind of most extreme 33 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.31 a coin in an especially large manner. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 15. Least cost 29 cents, fundamentally greatest 33 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.31 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16. Least cost 26 cents, by and large greatest 30 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.28 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, Walk 17. Fundamentally least costs 26 cents. Most certainly greatest 30 cents. And by the day's end, costs $0.28 a coin, which in a real sense is very huge. In about a month, Algorand cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20. Least costs 26 cents. Most extreme 30 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.28 a coin. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 21. Fundamentally least costs 28 cents. Really greatest 32 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.30 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale fundamentally remained at 3.6955 coins per $1. Today's reach, 3.5984 3.6955 in an unpretentious way. Yesterday's nearby, 3.6887 in a sort of large way. The change, plus 0.0068. Plus 0.18%. United States dollars to Algo estimate for later week and month in a significant way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Monday, February 20. By the day's end conversion scale 3.448 coins. Genuinely least 3.226 and greatest 3.704 in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to Algo expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end conversion scale 3.571 coins, least 3.333, and especially greatest 3.846, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end swapping scale 3.333 coins, genuinely least 3.125 and greatest 3.571, or so they essentially thought. United States dollars to Algo expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale 3.226 coins, essentially least 3.030 and fundamentally most extreme 3.448. Dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion scale 3.226 coins, least 3.030 and truly most extreme 3.448. In multi-week United States dollars to Algo expectations on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion scale 3.333 coins, least 3.125 and genuinely greatest 3.571. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end conversion standard 3.333 coins, truly least 3.125 and kind of most extreme 3.571, which basically is very huge. United States dollars to Algo expectations on Wednesday, Walk 1. By the day's end swapping scale 3.333 coins, least 3.125 and in every way that really matters, greatest 3.571 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand